Anyway, oh my god, lubat na yung camera. Why you gotta do this to me now? Hey guys, it's Jen, and tonight, we are going to attempt to curl my hair. Attempt. Why attempt? Because I do not know if this is gonna work, and I have not tried it before. Did she do her research? Nope. Did she at least practice? Nope. You are gonna see this firsthand if it's going to work. So, what do you need? You need your hair damp. I took a bath earlier, but then we had dinner, and then I had to charge the camera, so my hair got a little bit dry. So I literally just took some water out of the faucet and run it over my hair, so it's a little bit damp right now. As you can see, it's the percentage of its dryness is larger. Let me see. It's more dry than it's wet right now. So that's what we're gonna do. You're also going to need a comb. This is all I have. It's from Wamulan, and some tawag dito Sanrio eh. Rio, you girls know this. It's plastic little hair ties. So what now? What are we gonna do now? I don't know, Jenna. It's your show. What the fuck? Okay, so literally just combing my hair part in the middle. You're also going to need some music because I feel like this is gonna take a while, so you might as well listen to some music while you're doing it. Oh my god, I seriously do not know what to do. But we'll figure it out. You and me guys, let's do this. Get a piece of hair about this big, then make tirintas. What's tirintas in English? Braids. I'm literally just using my camera as a mirror. Ang hirap naman nito, Diyos ko. Oh god, I suck. Oh my god. Feeling ko sobrang tagal nitong gawin. Feeling ko rin in my head, the outcome of this thing is like super nice, but that's just in my head. So, hair tie. Yay! Braid number 1. Looking cute. She's looking cute already. This is a big one. I have high hopes for this hair tutorial. Please don't fail me, hair gods, braid gods. Please don't let this flop. It's not gonna flop. It's not gonna flop. It's not gonna flop. It's not gonna flop. Yay! Cute. Please, hayaan nyo yung itsura nung face ko. Marami siyang parang marks na red like this. I have allergies, guys. Remember? If you watch my previous vlogs, you'll see that my skin is way worse. It's actually so much better now. I'm going to make a video about my skin recovering from eczema soon, so watch out for that. Oh my god, ang sakit sa ulo nitong ginagawa ko. Siguro kasi mainit, kasi walang electric fan. Feeling ko, when I edit this, it's just me making daldal for an entire friggin' hour. Guys, buti na lang manipis yung hair ko. Like, I'm already halfway done. I've been working for 10 minutes? No, hindi naman. Mga under 15 minutes, I guess. Para sa mga long-haired girls and thick-haired girls, this is gonna take a lot of time. Please don't look stupid. Please don't look stupid. What's that? I look stupid. I-click ko ito, naiirita. I've been wanting to do this specific video for a long time, but I didn't have any, what do you call this? Sanrio. I thought I didn't have any Sanrio. I was about to buy like 100 pieces from Shopee for 60 pesos. Pero I cleaned my room, cleaned the clutter in my closet, and I found a pack of Sanrio. Buti na lang di ako bumili sa Shopee kasi sayang, diba guys? Meron pang shipping fee. Sayang money. And sayang din yung time kasi I could have done this video a long time ago if I knew I had these freaking Sanrios. So, medyo nalulubat yung cam. I'm going to do the rest of this off-cam na lang siguro para I can charge while I do it. I'm gonna show you guys after. Hey guys, I'm done now and it looks weird and crazy. I don't know. Is it a look? Is it a look though? It's kind of a look if it's done like better and not by some amateur, but it's okay. It looks fine. Ito na yung hairstyle. Kidding guys. The next thing we're going to do is we're gonna sleep on it. So I'm in my pajamas and I'm gonna sleep with this, and tomorrow is the final reveal and we'll see if this works or not. Before I go to sleep though, I'm going to wet the braids a bit. I don't know, I just feel like I should wet them. I'm just gonna wet my hands under the faucet and then run my hands over the braids. I'm going to wet it and then let it dry. Okay, let's do that. Hey guys, it's morning. I just woke up, but I put some makeup on so you didn't have to see my morning face. And I look crazy. Yeah, I do. I can't wait to take these off. Sobrang gusto kong mag-scratch ng head kasi hindi ko siya ma-scratch. Ang init today. It's so hot today. I'm just gonna take these off. Medyo ang weird nung kilay ko, no? And the reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Tagal. 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 Oh my god, please look nice. Oh, I look like ramen noodles. Let's see. Guys, ang init. If you don't mind, I'm going to turn on the fan. Okay. I semi-look like ramen noodles, but that's okay. That's okay. It's just because my hair is yellow. But I like it. It looks like my hair got crimped. I think it would have been better if I made the braid longer, like until the bottom part of my hair. Kasi look, oh, parang ito lang yung curls, tas ito parang straight. Ang weird niya tignan. But kung hanggang dun yung kulot niya, guys, I think it would have looked hella nice. And pro tip, you guys, do not throw these away. I repeat, do not throw these away even after you use them. Reuse these plastic hair ties. I'm wondering what kind of outfits would go with this hair. Should I style it? Ooh, mukha akong ano, alam mo yung sa 80's, ganun. Should I? Let's do it. So this is the final look. I like it. This looks very RnB. this look. It's so, you know, soulful. I look like a hippie. I don't know, man, but it's a look. It's a look. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye guys. See you in the next video.